Hi guys, today I'll be doing a clown look and I hope you enjoy. So let's get started. Next I'll be using my Remember Me Cocoa eye palette. Slick and Mart is the two that I use and combine for this eyeshadow look. Then I realized how bad it came out, but I just went with it. Then you use the eyeliner of your choosing and just wing it. Here I use the brightest red lipstick I use and just put it on my nose and cheeks. You blend it with a brush. Make yourself look like a reindeer. Here I tried blending in the lipstick using a velvet blush. Then after that you can remove your tape, more eyeliner, make yourself sad. Red lipstick. ¿Qué más? Now that we got that out of the way, I put a little gem on my face, including the two other dots. But in the end I didn't like it, so I removed them because, yeah, no. The last thing I added was strawberry peppermint to make it look glossy. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy, and now that I look like a payasa, I'm so happy. Bye.